In this video, I'll demonstrate a very common programming scenario involving dates in C#, calculating how many days exist between two given dates. While this seems straightforward, it's easy to make subtle mistakes when interpreting date and time span properties. Let's begin by examining a common misunderstanding. Look at this small program here. We've set two dates, the 10th of May and the 20th of June in 2024. We subtract one from the other, giving a result in a time span object named difference. At first glance, it seems logical to simply print out difference.days. When we run this, we get a result, but it's not necessarily what we expect or the most precise result. The days property doesn't account fully for spans exceeding 1 month or a more extended period, because it only represents the days component within a larger time span. Now let's move to the proper and accurate way to calculate the difference between two dates using difference.TotalDays. In contrast with days, the total days property correctly represents the entire time span between two dates, including fractional days, if any. Let's run this example, and you'll see we get exactly the right result, the true total days between dates. Notice the result might be fractional, so if you expect whole number results, simply rounding total days using Math.Round gives a straightforward exact integer number of days. In short, always use TimeSpan.TotalDays when looking to compute full days between dates accurately in C#. Avoid confusion by steering clear of the days property for full date differences. I hope this clarified date calculations for you. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below about other C# topics you'd like covered.